जय हिंद दोस्तों। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन आज फिर होने वाला है आपका, क्योंकि टेक्नोमेट्री इज द क्वेश्चंस, है ना। विदाउट क्वेश्चन टेक्नोमेट्री नॉट कमांडेड। तो अगर आपको टेक्नोमेट्री पे, त्रिकोणमिति पे अगर आपको कमांड लेना है बढ़िया से बढ़िया, है ना, अगर त्रिकोणमिति मिति पे 100% कमांड चाहिए बेटा, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस। केवल एक ही फंडा है इसका। अगर आप कॉन्सेप्ट समझ गए हैं तो फिर केवल और केवल प्रैक्टिस करिए, है ना। अगर आप ढंग से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो मजा आ जाएगा। तो चलिए फिर आज हम लोग फिर से क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं और बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन करेंगे, जो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ यार एक लेवल अप क्वेश्चन है। समझ रहे हैं? आपको लगेगा कि ये एक लेवल अप क्वेश्चन है, तो मजा आएगा, आपको भी सीखने को मिलेगा कुछ नया। ठीक है। हालांकि अब क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन एंड होने वाला है और आपको मिलने वाला है क्या? 60 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 20 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री या 40 डिग्री, इन सब का मान क्या होता है, और फिर इन सब का साइन के साथ क्या मान होगा, कॉस के साथ क्या मान होगा, tan के साथ क्या वैल्यू होने वाली है ना। तो इन सब चीज़ों की बात करेंगे, बट नेक्स्ट क्लास में। आज लास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन रख रहा हूँ मैं, और ये कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन होंगे जो आपको मतलब एग्जाम में हेल्प करेंगे, और आपका बेसिक फंडा एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा। ठीक है। अगर आपने प्रीवियस क्लास नहीं देखी है तो जाके देखिए, उसको मैं आई बटन पे लगा दूंगा या एंड कार्ड पे वीडियो लगी रहती है, तो आप इस वीडियो के बाद में उसको क्लिक करके वॉच कर सकते हैं। और पूरा वीडियो देखिए, मैंने प्लेलिस्ट बना दी है, तो बिंदास। तो चलिए ये रहा पहला क्वेश्चन आपके स्क्रीन पे, और आपको मैं देता हूँ 2 मिनट। वीडियो को पॉज करें और सॉल्व करें पूरे ईमानदारी के साथ। ठीक है। चीटिंग किससे करना है यार? चीटिंग खुद से करोगे अगर पॉज नहीं करोगे, सॉल्व नहीं करोगे। अरे फाइनली तो मैं सॉल्व करूंगा ही करूंगा, लेकिन आपका काम क्या है? आपका काम क्या है? खुद से ईमानदार बनिए। तो खुद से जब ईमानदार रहेंगे तो आप जब सेल्फ से जब ट्राई करेंगे स्वयं से, तो फिर उसका जो आनंद है ना, जब आपसे नहीं बनेगा, फिर जब मैं बताऊंगा तो आपकी जहां गलती होगी वो पकड़ में आएगी। ठीक है। तो 2 मिनट वीडियो पॉज करिए, बनाइए, उसके बाद फिर से वीडियो पे आइए। आई होप आप लोगों ने ट्राई किया होगा। तो चलिए मैं इसको सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूँ। ठीक है। ट्राई करना इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यार, खुद से करना जरूरी है। ठीक है। चलिए तो मैं इसको करके दिखाता हूँ। देखिए इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है, गिवन दैट। सबसे पहले आप ये देखिए कि दिया क्या है। तो इसने बोला है कि ज्ञात है 16 कॉट ए। क्या बोल दिया बेटा? 16 कॉट ए इज इक्वल टू 12। तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? यहाँ पे हो जाएगा कॉट ए इज इक्वल टू 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 16। समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं यार? तो यहाँ से आपको कॉट मिल जाएगा। ठीक है। और जैसे ही आपको कॉट मिल गया, जैसे ही आपको कॉट मिल गया, you know about the cot and tan relation. Okay, look at here. If cot a is equal to 1 by tan a, then tan a is equal to 1 by cot a. Put the value of cot a. Look at here. Tan a is equal to 1 by cot a is equal to how much? 12 by 16. Then put here 12 by 16. Then 16 move upward. Look at here. Then tan A is equal to 16 by 12. You know about tan A is equal to 16 by 12. If you know what is the sequence and what is the phenomenon of tan here. Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. If you know about this phenomenon, if don't know, so you can watch my previous video. I can give fully and complete concept in the previous lectures. Okay, look at here. A, B and C. This is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this is your hypotenuse. Okay, this is your hypotenuse. Now comes here. This is your angle A and this is your 90 degree. First of all, we know about tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base, then is how much? 16 by 12. As previous, we can get the value tan A, then put here perpendicular is equal to 16 and base is equal to 12. If you know about Pythagoras theorem, if you know about Pythagoras theorem, then apply here. If you don't know, please watch my previous lectures. Okay, look at here. What is the Pythagoras theorem? First of all, you know about A, C and B. If you don't know AC, then AC का square is equal to, if you don't know AB, then AB का square, if you know AB, AB का square, then plus BC का square. Okay, if you don't know AB, if you don't know BC, if you don't know AC, but in this condition, if you know about AC and BC, okay, you know about AC and BC. AB, what is AB? AB is your base and BC is your perpendicular. So look at here, AC is equal to, AC square is equal to, AB means how much? AB means, look at here, AB means 12 and BC means 16. Then multiplication, and 16 and 12 का square is equal to, then AC is equal to root over 12 का square, then 16 का square. You can easily find out the square of 12, 144, and 16 multiplication by 16 again. Here is 6, 6 are 36. Here see 3, 6 and 90 and 16. Here is 6, 6 to 56. 256. Okay. Then add them and find out the root. But here the AC is equal to 4 plus 6, how much? 10 is 0. 4 plus 5, 9 and carry 1 is 10, 0. And 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 and then carry again 400. Look at here, AC is equal to, if you root over, if you remove the root, comes this 20. Okay. Now we can find out we get the value of AC. If you have the value of AC is equal to 20, BC is equal to 16 and AB is equal to 12. Now what is the value of sine A? Sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then what is the perpendicular? Base. Then 16 divided by hypotenuse is 20. Now we can find out the cos A is equal to how much? Cos A is equal to perpendicular of, sorry, base upon perpendicular. Base is equal to how much? AB, and perpendicular how much? AC. Then what is the value of AB and AC? Perpendicular upon, sorry, base upon hypotenuse. Base is equal to 12 and hypotenuse is equal to 20. Then what will find, and what is asking in the question? Look at the question and put the value, get the answer. Look at here, sine A plus cos A, sine A minus cos A. Okay, look at here. First of all, we can write the equation sine A plus cos A divided by sine A minus cos A. Put the value. What is the value of sine A? The sine A is equal to, look at here, 16 by 20. 16 by 20. Put the value. Final answer is 16 by 20 plus 12 by 20 and divided by again 16 by 20 and minus of 12 by 20. Any problem? If you add them and subtract them, you get the value of, look at here, if denominator is same, the subtract easily. 12 plus 16, how much? 20 and 28, that is 20 is common and 20 is also common, and 16 minus 12, how much? 4. You can easily cut down 4, 7. The answer is 7. Your final answer is sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A is equal to 7. This is your final answer. Okay. Now the second question is question number 2. I can write it here. If the question write down on the screen, then you can able to solve it. If you don't, then you can wait. If you able, then you can solve it. 5 tan alpha is equal to 4, so that 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha divisible by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha is equal to 1 by 6. You have 5 minutes. Pause the video and solve the question. Okay. Now I can solve it. I hope you can pause the video and solve it. If you don't get the answer, don't worry, I can solve it and get the answer finally. Okay. Now first of all, what is the tan alpha? Look at here. Given is 5 tan alpha is equal to 4. Now tan alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Now make the triangle once. Look at here. The triangle is 90-degree triangle, and this angle is alpha. Okay. Now this is 90-degree, and given is tan alpha is equal to 4 by 5. If you know what is the tan is equal to perpendicular divided upon base. Okay. Perpendicular by base. Okay. The perpendicular is 4 and base is 5. Now again find out is hypotenuse. If A, B, C, now we can here find out AC square is equal to AB square, then again plus BC square. Put the value, then AC square is equal to AB square, how much? 5 square, and BC how much? 4 square. Okay. Then AC square is equal to 5 means 25 and 4 means 16. Add them and find out root over. Then 25 plus 6 how much? 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, and carry 1 is 4. 41. Under root 41. But how to calculate 41? The root over 41 directly. If you don't know about the 41, how to calculate 41, then don't worry, not a problem. Okay. Look at here. Something special, or something doing some special case. And that's why I can take the question, because this is difficult solving the root. Okay. Sure. Come. The first condition is what is asking you? 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha divided by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha. If you divided that is difficult, so leave this and don't go this way. Okay, this is another method. This is another method. So please solve by this method. Okay, first of all we can divide 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha divided by cos alpha, and again 5 sin alpha and plus 2 cos alpha divided by cos alpha. If you know about the relations of sin cos tan, then I tell you in previous lectures. Okay, please watch my previous lectures. Tan alpha is equal to sin alpha and divided by cos alpha. This is the relation. Now these things remember please, and put the value here. Sin alpha and divided by cos alpha is tan alpha, and cos alpha divided by cos alpha just cancel out. Then look at here, 5 tan alpha minus 3 divided by 2, sorry 2 2 or 3 5 5 sorry 5 5 tan alpha 5 tan alpha plus 2. Put the tan alpha and get the value easily. Look at here. If you tan alpha know, yes, I know tan alpha is given in the question. The value is 5 tan alpha. Okay, 5 tan alpha is given 4. Then put the easily value 5 tan alpha total. Look at here, 5 matlab 5 tan alpha is equal to 5 minus 4 4 minus 3 and 4 plus 2. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Then you got the RHS right hand side. Okay, look at here. What is the asking in the question? The question is, look at here, 5 tan alpha is equal to 4, so that what we calculate, 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha divided by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha is equal to 1 by 6. Yes, we got the final answer is 1 by 6. So question is finally solved. Next question is the level 2 type of questions, but important for you. This type of questions comes in the examination, but taking that some time, and solve some difficulty, face the some difficulty solving this type question of. Okay, the question number 3 is today, if sine if sine theta, if you know about the relations of sine cos tan, then you can able to question of solve easily, and not any type of problem, and not any type of problem of basics. If you have clear, if you have to basic concept, you have to understood basic concept in my previous lectures, then you got the easily answer and you can solve the easily question. Okay, not any problem. I think it's very easy for you. If you do watch my previous lectures. If you don't watch, if you don't feel the mathematics terms and formulas, then you not clear the concept, and you not able to easily solve these type of questions. Sin theta is equal to a square minus b square and divided by a square plus b square. Find the values of how much values? We still find the values of the other 5 trigonometric roots, of other 5 trigonometric roots. Okay, yeah, ratios you can take. Now look at here, sin theta is equal to, this is variable, this is not a number, this is variable like a b c. Then how to calculate sin cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta? How to calculate? First of all, you know about the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then you don't know about the third side. So how to calculate first third side? Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, then you can find out the easily cot theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Then first of all we can calculate the third side. If you know about the triangle, how type of triangle, which type of triangle we can use here? The triangle is 90 angle, 90 angle. Okay, theta is here and 90 is here. Given is sin theta, given is sin theta means perpendicular base, and hypotenuse. Okay, if you know about the perpendicular and hypotenuse, you can calculate the easily base with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now look at here, put the value first. The perpendicular is a minus b, a minus a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and hypotenuse a square plus b square. You agree with me? Yes. Then we can calculate the base. But here using Pythagoras theorem, okay, look at here, AC square is equals to hypotenuse square, then base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, if you don't know base, first move this and this. But here AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. Then AB square is equals to AC square means A minus B whole square, sorry, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay, then you know about this, which type of terms? But here AB is equals to root over A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay, then calculate easily. AB is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB, then minus A square minus B square plus 2AB. Okay, then cut down this. Okay, any type of problem? If you have any problem, then put your problem in comment box. Then 2AB plus 2AB. Okay, any type of problem? No. Add this. How much? Look at here, something missing here and some mistakes here. You know about A square plus B square. Okay, then I can put here A plus B square. Then mistake here, A square plus B square. So then here 4 and here is square and 4 and 4, here is square. Okay, then here A square B square, A square B square, then add them. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4 A square B square, and then solve it. You got the you got the AB is equal to 2AB. You can finally got the base. You can finally got the base. If you find out the base easily, then you can able to find out the cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, and cot theta, cosec theta. I don't tell them that things. You know about that very well. But I can do these things because of you. First time you can see this type of questions. Okay, then you can able to solve easily this type of question. Again, you face this type of question in the examination or in pre-examination or in the books questions. This concept is very easy, same as a numbers, but you know about the formulas, identities, then you can able to solve easily the questions. Okay, now I don't tell things how to calculate cos theta, tan theta, you know about very well. Okay, if you can watch my previous lectures, then you know about very well how to calculate cot theta and cosec theta and sec theta. I don't calculate. I'm not calculating this. I'm giving you another question. I'm giving you another question. But first, I am increasing my slide because my slide is completed. Another question is, yes, this is very good question. This is very good question. Given a figure, question number 4, today's question number 4, look at here. Given a figure, this is a figure, okay? Don't worry, it's good question. It's very good question, not a good. Before this question, you not seeing this type of question before this question, okay? A, B, C, and D, okay? The distance between A and D is 3, and D and B is 6, means this multiplication by 2, 6, and this perpendicular is 4. You have two triangle. In this questions, you have two triangle. First is, second is, okay? The calculation, find the value of, find, this is very good question, find the value of, first is this is angle A, and this is angle B, okay? Angle A and angle B. First, sin A, second is cot A. Good question. Third one is tan B. What a question. Fourth one is what a question. Sin square B plus cos square. This is your final question. Okay. Now we can calculate these terms. First is sin A, second is cot A, third is tan B, and sin square B plus cos square. First we can calculate this hypotenuse and this hypotenuse also. Then in triangle, this is very good question. So time is some more consume the more time as compared to previous questions. Okay, first, in first triangle, okay, we can talk about the first triangle. Because here first triangle looks like this is 3 and this is 4, this is A, this T and C. First of all, find out AC. You know about very well how to find out AC. We don't talk about. Then AC is equals to, finally I can talk 3 is square and 4 is square. Here is AC is equals to 25 and 5. If you calculate the easily, AC is equals to 5. Then this is angle A. Then what is the calculate of A? Sin A and cot A. Look at here. Then sin A is equals to, change the pen. Sin A is equals to, sin A means hypotenuse of, sorry, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. There is 4 by 5. Second one is cot A. Cot A. Then cot A is equals to, cot A is equals to 1 upon tan A. Tan A. Then tan A, how much tan A? Tan A perpendicular upon base, then 4 by 3. Then 3 by 4. Okay, you got the two questions of answer. Okay, now tan B, and first of all make the second triangle here in second triangle. In second triangle, you got here house looks second triangle. This is your second triangle. Okay, this is C D B 6 4. Look at here, CB square is equals to CD square is equals to DB square. Then CB is equal to root over 6 square, then 4 square. Then CB is equals to 36 and 16. Add them. CB is equals to root over 6 12, carry 1, 52. 52, how much? 52. Just 1 second. I can 52. There is 2 root 30. CB is equals to 2 root 30 because 13 4 just 52. There is means 13 into 4. Then 4 out of root. There is CB is equals to 2 root 30. Okay. You can calculate it easily. This is 90 and this is B. Okay. This is 2 root 30. Now what we calculated and what we calculate, tan B and sin square B plus cos square B. First of all, find out tan B. Tan B is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sorry, perpendicular upon base, and then 4 by 6. Easily you got the. Then sin B perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 2 root 13. And cos B is equals to base upon hypotenuse 2 root 13. Okay. Now what is the calculation? What is the calculation? Cos square B, sorry, sin square B plus sin square B plus cos square B. Put the value, get the answer. Simple. Look at here. Sin square B means if you 4 to root 13 and 6 to root 13, you can do the square. 4 square 16, 2 square 4, and 13 means this. Okay, plus 36 and 4 to 30. Add them simple. 6 6 12 carry 1 1 3 and 52 divided by 52 1 आ जाए. Yes, this is comes 1. 52 cancel out is equal to, the final answer is okay, fourth का कितना आ जाएगा 1 आ जाएगा. Now this is your question, and another question is this is very good question. Now the second type of question is here. This is very also a very good question, and this is very important question. Given a figure, next question is question number 5. Given a figure, look at here. This is your figure. This is your figure. This is your first triangle, and this is your another triangle in triangle. Okay, it's meet at midpoint. This is your perpendicular is A, and this is your hypotenuse is larger hypotenuse is B, small b. Now this is your theta, and this is your A, this is your B and C and D. Okay, if the condition is here, if AD is equal to DB, I know about that, DB, and angle B is a right angle, is a right angle, then determine the value. First is sin theta, second one is cos theta, third one is tan theta, and fourth one is sin square theta plus cos square theta, as previous, cos square theta. First of all, we can find out the CD and CV. First, we can find out CV. What is the value of CV? CV has the same first triangle and second triangle. Then, first of all, find out CV. The CV is equals to CA square of CA, CV square minus of AB, and CV is equals to root over CA means B square minus AB means A square. Okay, then you easily the find out B minus A. Base you have B square minus A square root over. This is your base. This is your base. Root over B square minus A square. Now this is look at here. This is condition given. AD is equal to DB means AD is equal to DB. If you know about CD, if you know about this is equal means A by 2, this is A by 2 and this is also A by 2. Okay, now first triangle is here, and second triangle is here. We can talk about first triangle. In first triangle, look at here. House looks first triangle. This type A by 2. And this is B, this is D, and this is C. Okay, and you don't know about CD. First, you know about B square minus A square means base. Okay, then first of all, find out the CD. What is the value of CD? We can use the Pythagoras theorem here. CD is equals to CB square means CB square plus BD square. Then CD square or CD is equal to root over BC square means root over B square minus A square. B square minus A square whole square. Then BD means A by 2 of whole square. Then we can calculate here CD is equal to root is cancel out, then B square minus A square, and then plus here A to the A square and by 4. This is your CD. If you take the LCM, then CD is equals to root over 4BC 4B minus 4A square plus A square divided by 4. If you more calculation, then CD is equals to root over 1 by 2 and 4B square minus 3A square. Okay, this is your final CD. This is complication, but you can find out the easily if your concept is crystal clear. If you know your concept is not crystal clear, then you can watch my previous lectures in this channel and clear your concept. Okay, finally I got the CD. If you got the CD, then you have everything in your hand. In your hand. This is your first triangle, you know, CD, CB, AB, and AC. Then you can easily find out, you can easily got the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and sin square theta plus cos square. I think you know any type of problems. Okay, now you have one GPK, then class has been ended. Okay, this is your ZPK. This is your ZPK. This is the second level of question. Okay, so you can face some difficulties in the solving question, so don't worry, you can try more and more and more, then you can solve easily. You have, but the question is yes, if tan theta, first question is if tan theta, this is final and the last lecture for the questionnaire session in ratio. We can discuss about next lecture. The topic is trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degree. Okay, then what is the degree? We can discuss about the degree and how to find out the degree, many types of. Okay, that tan theta is equal, sorry, if tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2, find the value of find the value of value of tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Okay, this is your first ZPK, and second one is second ZPK is, this is very good question. Okay, so you can try more and more, and if sin theta is equal to, if sin theta is equal to 3 by 4, prove that prove that root over cosec square theta minus cot square theta divided by sec square theta minus 1 is equal to root over 7 by 3. This is our second GPK. If you take more GPK, then you have, your time is up. So you can try the question on your own book. Okay, and assure with the book and yourself the complete question your book you have to try it, and you can solve out easily. Now we can completed the ratio terms and ratio of trigonometric. So second lecture is degree for trigonometry. Okay, in next lecture we can discuss about the degree. So please watching my next lecture after one day, this alternate class. Okay, chalo now. Okay, bye, thank you. Subscribe and share is the most important. Okay.